Okay, we've completed round 3 of the Taylyn Beanie, so now we're moving on to round 4. This is what you should have so far. You can see the spiral really well now that you've got 3 rounds in. So for round 4, gonna chain 1, and then your half double crochet in the stitch with the chain, and then in the half double crochet from the previous round, you're going to place your front post half triple. So that goes there, and then you're going to place your next half double crochet stitch here on top of the front post from the previous round. Because remember, you'll always be alternating your stitches. You're never going to put one front post in the same front post from a previous round. So now you're going to then go over to this next half double, and that's where you place your front post. So the repeat for this round is half double and front post half triple in the same stitch, and then half double front post half triple. So you're increasing from 30 to 40 stitches in this one. So now we are going to be placing the next pair in the next stitch. So there's a half double here. We're going to place our next half double here, right next to the front post half triple we just completed, like that. And then you're also going to put the front post in that same stitch. Just like that. And then you're going to the next stitch, which is right here, right beside where you just completed the front post half triple. And that's your half double. And then you're skipping this front post right here and going to this next half double, and that's where you put your front post. So that's what it starts looking like. I'm going to pause it, finish the round, and then I'll show it to you completed. Okay, so I've got round 4 completed here. So this is what you will have now, and then this is what it looks like, your view as you're working on it. Make sure when you're completing this round that you catch the final half triple at the end there. It can kind of hide a little bit sometimes, this half double crochet from the previous round, by the chain. So just make sure you catch that, and that you it helps to count to make sure that you have 40 stitches by the time you finish this round. All right, I'm going to move on to round 5.